Ha, Nurbekka yozdim ben. O'yin boshlab o'tibdilar уже. O'yin boshlab o'tibdilar bolalar. Men ochiraman, xolani ochiraman bolalar. Telegramga tashlayman, Telegramda o'tib turinglar. Raqib tushdi bolalar. Old Trafford'da o'ynayamiz bolalar. Hop. Raqib akkauntni ko'rishingiz mumkin bolalar. Yangi akkaunt turar ekan. No, balkim raqib o'yini zo'r bo'lishi mumkin. Eto.
Hello and welcome one and all. The atmosphere building very nicely here. Gorgeous evening. The skies are clear, the noise is fervent, the atmosphere frenetic. And few venues rise to an occasion quite like this one. It is, of course, the world-famous Old Trafford.
Uy, pas o'tgan namidi?
Well, if you did just miss it, we are up and running already. Cristiano Ronaldo. And now the hit.
Oy, Cristiano Ronaldo.
And he's managed to gift it back. Oh no, this
Çalıp
does
kaldım
not
vallahi
look
uzun.
good.
Qo'yma beni pul tashladim. Hop, Telegramda yozaman. Streamdan keyin faqat, streamdan keyin.
He won't be happy with that one. It's Cristiano Ronaldo.
Chalg'iymiz.
And that is as far as they're going to go. Now it's Mbappe.
Aytdim-ku. Raqib yaxshi o'ynashi mumkin deb aytdim. El Clasico'da kim qilasiz? Barsachiman-ku. Ronaldo bizda ham bor ekan, tushiramiz ikkinchilarni. Yaxshi!
Oh, what a cracking save from the keeper. That may turn out to be psychologically pivotal.
And here's Cristiano Ronaldo. That is and the shot. It's loose now. In he goes again.
Uy, shu yerni qaranglar. Oliver Kahn. Mani Pirlo o'yinda double touch bor-da, o'shanga o'zim berganman.
It's a sweet ball that.
Men bundan ham bor bo'laman. Raqib urdi. Qo'y sobering. Telegramda yozib qo'ygan bo'lsa, streamdan keyin javob beraman.
When you surrender the football.
So the first moment of real significance. Well, oh, what has happened here? He's had a hit. No mistake.
Qirq. Nurbekka o'yin boshlab o'tdilar. O'sha aniq o'ynayotgan ekanlar. Divizionga harakat o'tkazdilar-yu, divizionga chiqmoqchi ekanlar.
Well, going behind has simply triggered a collective determination to hit back, and they merit
Rummenigge yana
nothing
o'rni qolib
less.
ketibdi bori.
That was a given. It always was.
Kroyf o'yinga qo'ydimda keyin Rummenigge almashtirgan shu bo'sh qolib ketdi. Voy, raqib yana urib
It's
qo'ydi.
a goal. Into the lead once more.
Jordan Nomeradi
Simplicity
pesa kim o'zi
itself.
bilmayman.
Well, his appreciation of space then was absolutely exceptional. A moving genius.
Well, this is what we've been waiting for. Cristiano Ronaldo!
Raqib yoryapti.
And he was there to get a vital touch.
Raqib yoryapti lekin.
Cristiano Ronaldo clearly thought he had the beating of the
Nuri
keeper.
bilan go, Nurbek aka
And we have our
diviziya o'ynayaptilar. Bizdan oldinda hozir. Voqli boshlab qo'yaptilar. Meniki tugayotgan paytda o'sha ular yangi o'yin boshlayotgan bo'ladilar. Like'larni to'g'risida qoraylik bolalar.
rises. Goal!
Voy, nima qilyapti raqib?
Through butter. They have done it again.
Yorvorayishni raqib tushdi-yu.
Great corner, and he did the rest.
He did so well
Visionary
there,
pass
taking the ball
o'tmayapti,
the way he
visionary
did.
pass.
He got a strong
Pirlo'ni
forehand
pasladi.
behind that one.
Kimsan Pirlo'ni pas o'tmayapti.
So the lead now
Yeah,
is
Eto'o.
2.
Well, it's been an absolutely fabulous spell for them, and they're starting to look unstoppable. There could be more on the way.
Oh, nicely intercepted.
Mbappe really was well marshalled there because he was denied the opportunity to turn.
Nuriga men o'ynayman deyaptilar. Bo'ldi, kutib tursinlar ozgina. Ozgina kutib tursinlar. Ha, qishni men bosmadim. Aslbek kutib qoldim ukam. Anu
Eto'o.
e'tiborsizlik qildim. Men yonimda ikkinchi telefonimga chatgan o'qmoqchi edim. Like qancha bo'libdi ko'rmoqchi edim. Qarasam уже сразу o'rtdi. Glovoyi keyin urib qo'ydi.
And it's Cruyff. Bumps him off it and wins back the
Cruyff.
ball. Now it's Cristiano Ronaldo.
Lekin bosdim, adashmasam bosdim nimadir bu. O'tmadi просто.
Picked out brilliantly.
Yo'l.
No messing about, just bludgeoned
Buni yarim
away.
tutib chiqardi bu yerda endi.
Back into the middle.
Ronaldoni tushiramiz.
And he's blown his whistle for half time.
Krironi tushiramiz, Krironi. Boshlab yubordi-yu. Chiqsa yo'q, hech chiqsa yo'q. Yoki butlarim. Ne bo'pti? Zo'r Lakassa poyskka yozsa chiqadi. Barsa sostavida o'ynaydi, Amerika qit'asida chempion bo'lgan. Yo'q-ey. Xorlab qo'ying, Nuri Potsman. Yo'q-ey, unaqa demanglar.
Whistle goes.
O'ynaymiz endi, agar kutib tursalar o'ynaymiz.
Well, this half might require them to produce a plan A, B and C. Leveling the score is easier said than done, but that will be the target. Get back on terms and then use that momentum to go again.
Uy, ko'rsatib o'tdi Ronaldo.
Neymar has created one goal already. Always onto this. Cristiano Ronaldo. He's picked his way through.
Ronaldo double touch qilmoqchi edim. Menimcha yo'q ekan double touch.
Defending is unapologetically persistent. It's almost personal, and it had to be. That is a great pick out. Now it's Valverde. Valverde!
Uxti.
Well, the
Oddiy
finish
fursatdan
certainly didn't match
yutkazsam,
the build-up.
yutkazibman deb o'ylang,
There are a
qandaydir
few
biznes
pockets of
hayajon
space that
bordek
are being
xuddi sizda.
exploited.
Ya,
They
menga
need to
farqi
play
yo'q.
fast.
Просто men bu yerda keyin. Aytdim, meni 10 ta o'yin yutaman-da, hech kim indamaydi-da. Bitta yutqizib qo'ysam, bot deyishadi-da, bor, shunisi yoqmaydi.
Well, that's been cut out. Well played.
Well, the way this game is offering less possession, they'll need to have a very good conversion rate.
Well, they've got it back in a hurry, and he's found a way past. Valverde did just about enough to come out on top there. Neither party overly willing to compromise. Now it's Cristiano Ronaldo. That's a sharp pass. Oh, a delicate chip through. The less said about that pass, the better. Ruben Neves. And that's been intercepted.
That was well played, well stopped.
Cruyff. And Cruyff! It's there!
Qaytamiz.
Oh, that was a cracking little exchange to set up the finish and a lovely understanding between both players. I mean, that's clearly tailored on the training ground and delivered beautifully on match day.
Albertini borli. Qanaqadir skill bor unda ham. Weyverni pasi, ha, shu. Finishing. Otilmaydi. Visionary pass.
On both sides actually. Manchester United get themselves
Kecha streamni 3-1dan, kechami boya? Kecha.
Stoichkov!
3-1dan to'g'ri chiqib ketuvdim, bor-ku. Bugun ham mana shu bo'lib qolishi mumkin, balkim 3, balkim to'g'ri, balkim undan ham ko'p. Qo'lingizdan chekib qopdi. Endi qotmasa o'ynaymiz yaxshi. Qotib qolsa endi parotda.
And it's hoisted clear. And now a sudden chance to counter. Half an hour gone in the second half.
Yaxshi ham ko'rdim Iniestani, voy.
Fine interception. And he's had a hit.
Iniesta.
Final ball not
Yeah,
quite right.
really.
His teammates are irritated at that.
Keep calm and carry on. That's the job in a nutshell now.
O'tmadi.
Neymar. Now it's Neymar. Oh, smashing header.
Yaxshi.
And that would have won it.
Oh, and a real chance.
Yo'lik
to
tutib
pile on the
o'ynaymiz.
pressure, and he'll be desperate to get another.
Messi.
There's a real
Voy,
tenacity
Messi.
about their defensive play, and it's up close and personal.
Bolalar Nuri Gaming yetib qo'yinglar.
That interception.
Men o'zim akkauntida o'ynayman, o'shanga mana meni nomi Ali-ku, akkauntniki. O'shanga boshqasi tushdi deb o'ylamasinlar.
Well, quality clearly deserted him at the crucial moment.
Clearly,
Messi da assist.
having made
Ronaldoga
and
o'xshaydi.
not get picked out.
Pirlo. Whoa! Pirlo! Davay, aytganim deb ola, to'g'ri uchib ketishimiz ham mumkin.
That is a gem, an absolute gem. They have stolen level at the last. That's it. We're going to get 30 minutes.
Davay.
Many on that pitch were ready for the final whistle to come. So let's hope
Nuri
that
Gaming yetinglar,
there's
bolalar,
still
comeback
plenty
bo'pti
of
deylar.
energy about.
Assalomu alaykum, Islam Abdurashid.
We need a winner,
Va alaykum assalom.
and we will be back for extra time.
Shart ingliz tilida bolalar.
90 minutes gone and nothing between them still. Manchester United displayed great character to force extra time from what looked a pretty ominous situation. The question now is, can they go on to win it? It is doable. Oh, no joy this time. And that has been knocked clear. Well, he has slightly undercooked that one.
Uzbekistan clearly didn't help themselves by telegraphing that one.
Shot a goal!
Oh, Rodri.
And somehow he managed to miss it.
Rodri
Menga qilingan
has
comeback.
delivered
Sizlar
a
o'ynamadik?
really costly miss.
3-1 dan
It could
4-3.
have been their last chance to win it.
Messi? Yaxshi Messi.
Of the desperate variety. Manchester United are looking to go forward now. He has found the way through. Brilliant.
Voy, Messiga bermoqchi edim-ku. Yaxshi.
Has a
Tekis tepamiz. Voy, men blitz tepmoqchi edim.
chance missed.
Blitz tepsam qaytarardi, o'shanga tekis tepdim. Siz uchun yaxshi PES, eng yaxshi PES o'yinchi kim? Ha, PES sermi yoki PES ichida eng yaxshi o'yinchimi?
David Villa chasing after it. Oh, he's going to be disappointed with that. That's a lovely, neat pass.
3-3.
Time
Davay.
reaches half-time.
Yamal or Rodrigo.
Yeah, 90 minutes
Yamal
gone.
yaxshi o'ynayapti lekin.
15 of an extra 30 have also
PESda
gone.
lekin Rodrigo deb o'ylayman. Yo, Yamal ham zo'r. Yamal portfel kartasi zo'r.
Truly, this is a punishing game
Davom
of
etamiz.
bodies and heads and minds. The outstanding question, the only question, is there still room for one last bit of drama? Well, we are real chance. Oh yes.
Qanaqa?
And that may just do it.
Qanaqa buni qurish
And
mumkin?
that is about as
Slim ketyapti.
cool as they come. He picked his spot expertly.
He had the whole picture in his head, Peter. He didn't even look at the goalkeeper.
Uzbekistan take the lead.
Yeah, it's been their hard work that has got him this lead, but I just wonder whether they can keep it up. This may take a toll now.
Uzbekistan
Qo'yu raqib.
needed that. They really needed it.
You know, it was an intervention that had to be made. Serious trouble lay in store. Well, he certainly wasn't in the mood to take any risks.
Ball is over the line.
Look, it's a run defence is dislike, but the timing has to be spot on. Look, movement creates more options, and that was really sharply done.
So that's it. It is all over. Manchester United can justifiably
Hadi
find
yo'lamagan
this
bo'lsangiz
hard
o'chib
to
ketadi.
swallow. They gave it their all, but
Zo'r o'yin bo'ldi
ultimately
lekin, zo'r o'yin
just
bo'ldi.
short against an opponent prepared to go toe-to-toe
Wow.
until the end. How would you summarise what we've seen today then, Jim?
Raqib o'zi ham
Manchester
rosa
United
pastlashib.
definitely
8 ta save
struggled
qilamiz
to
biz.
get going. That was sensed by
Saksay
their
save
support
qilding
early
ha.
on, and it just compounded the frustration.
Zo'r o'yin. Oka bilsa sizning aktivingiz Nue. Nima u? Aktivim Nue. Qanaqa so'z bu tushunmadim. Ketdi bola, Nuriga million o'ynaymiz ham.